PIPAc stands for Production Intelligente de Principes Actifs, and this is really our goal. We want to offer the pharma industry a new solution for the production of active pharmaceutical ingredients.
PIPAc Project is aiming to develop a new microfactory for active ingredient production. This is based on identification and selection of a molecule, a way to synthesize, the definition of a process, the construction of a process, but what will make a game changer is really to pilot this unit using artificial intelligence tool.
We started with Alysophil and NovAliX, and we thought about what other partners we could have in the consortium to cover the fields where we don't have expertise in-house between our two companies. And on one side, Philippe Robin from Alysophil was in contact with the Dietrich, which we imagine a very good partner for the engineering and industrialization of the system.
Our contribution in the project is to produce the continuous flow reactor and continuous flow modules, which will be part of the complete solution, together with these other industrial parts like the automation, control, utilities, etc. It's to say that we are, in this consortium, the industrial partner.
And we thought about Bruker for all the analytical, but globally the analytical part of the system.
The role of Bruker in the project is to provide the analytical requirements. So that means analytical instrumentation, hardware and software that allows for feeding back data into the algorithms so that we can make decisions as we go along in the process.
In the PIPAc project, we have decided to implement NMR from Bruker inline in order to collect the data from the reaction, and this data will be used to feed the artificial intelligence agent to elaborate the right rules and the right action to pilot the process.
So far, the key milestones we achieved are the development of synthetic pathways for three high-demand active pharmaceutical ingredients, which were actually in disruption during the COVID-19 crisis. This is one of the reasons why we selected these molecules.
And the next step for Alysophil within this project was to develop the piloting in the real world. And this is what happened in December, meaning that for a specific molecule with our partner, Alysophil has developed an AI agent which piloted a microfactory in the laboratory. The next goal of the project now is to mimic what we did in December for the other molecule we have in the project, and by the same time to build the lab demonstrator. So what we are going to do is to 3D print a reactor. We will connect the future reactor with the pumping, but also with the NMR, which is provided by Bruker.
The idea between the four partners of the PIPAc Consortium is to offer the solution to the industry, and we actually already started to offer the solution to the industry. Our goal is to have an early adopter within this year, 2023, to work on a new drug.
If we think about the advantage of our solution for the pharma world, there are different drivers of progress. The first is to have the possibility to produce more active ingredient in Europe. In addition, this new unit will be safer because the flow chemistry is known as using less volume of reactant at the same place. So if something is going wrong, the danger zone is much more smaller than batch. That's one thing. The second advantage is around environment, because we are aiming to use less solvent. The consumption of energy will be much less. And I would say these characteristics are more or less a characteristic for flow chemistry. What we are adding on top of this is the artificial intelligence.
The most important, the more remarkable of the PIPAc project is that we will offer to Pharma and future customers a continuous flow solution. PIPAc Project means that the customer will tell us the needs in terms of quality, production, etc., and we will supply the complete solution: the reactor, the control, and the quality assurance.
PIPAc Project is a game changer. It will change the way we produce API in the industry. It will allow much more safety, reduction of the environmental footprint, but also a frugal approach regarding the OPEX and the CAPEX. So it is an ideal solution to think API production in the 21st century. It has all the features which enhance the production regarding the traditional way to produce API. And Alysophil is really proud to provide this expertise in artificial intelligence to make this game changer even more efficient.
We are convinced that the PIPAc solution will also allow the pharma industry to relocate some manufacturing of drugs, new drugs or existing drugs in Europe.
It's a pleasure for Bruker to be part of this project because it gives us the opportunity to contribute in a much bigger goal, that is to make medicines more available and to speed up the way that we are going to market. And it's exciting also to be able to be with the partners developing cutting edge technologies such as the combination of flow chemistry and AI, and being the ones that contribute with the spectroscopy.